Pork Peralan. Marinate medium-sized pork pieces with salt, coriander powder, chili powder, pepper powder and turmeric powder. Keep aside for half an hour. Then pressure cook with water for 20 to 25 minutes. In a wok, put 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and saute the crushed garlic, the sliced ginger, the onion and the curry leaves. When the onion becomes pale, add the cooked pork and cover and cook for a few more minutes till the gravy becomes thick. Stir well. Finally, add spluttered mustard seeds, curry leaves and shallots. Beef fry. Cut the boneless beef into small cubes. Add the ginger, shallots and garlic. Then add thin pieces of coconut, salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder and black pepper powder. Marinate the beef with this mixture. When it is well marinated, pressure cook till the meat becomes soft. If there is excess water, cook without the lid on a high flame till all the water has evaporated. Finally, fry the beef in a shallow dish with some coconut oil.